Hello and welcome once again to my channel. My name is Chief Francis. So today I'll be showing you just a quick, simple and easy way to get rid of sunburn. For those of you suffering from sunburn, now this is a quick recipe and products that you can use to get rid of it. Okay, so Chichi Beke, this one is for you because you made this request. Although I've done something on sunburn, but every year upgrade new products and co. So let's start. The products I'll be working with are this one, pigment C cleanser. It's a fruit acid cleanser, and this is pigment dew cleanser. You can see this is the cleanser I'm using. This is not the serum, the normal serum that we know. This is pigment dew. It has the cleanser too. Okay, and here we'll have our sunscreen, and then here this is Vit Gold cleanser. The front label is off. You can see from the container, Vit Gold. This is the strawberry flavor. It comes in different flavors: cucumber, strawberry, rose, and co. And for the cream, this is DH7 Gold. Very good, small but mighty for sunburn. And here we have all clear spot remover. Okay, so let me show you how to mix it. Okay, so here they are. These are the measurements I'm working with. For pigment C, I added just this is the spoon I used for it. This is called the teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. For pigment dew, same measurement, 1 teaspoon. For Vit Gold, if you don't have Vit Gold, you can use rose water to dilute it, 1 teaspoon. Okay, so why I'm using Vit Gold is because I don't want it to be too harsh, because I'm using it for spots on my face. You can use it for spots and also for sunburn. I'm using it for spots, so I don't want it to be too strong. But if you have very bad sunburn, you don't need to mix it with Vit Gold. You just mix your pigment C and then pigment dew. You don't need to mix Vit Gold in it. So what I do is just to mix, pour the pigment dew inside the pigment C cleanser, and then add my Vit Gold. That's all. It's just an easy process. Stir, use your cotton wool to clean all over your face. Just use it to clean everywhere on your face, but down to your neck. After cleansing, here we'll have the DH7 whitenizer face cream. I told you it's very good for sunburn. And here we'll have the all clear super spot remover. Here I use the whole container of the Vit Gold. As you can see, you can also see the color, light pink or peach, and you can see that's the same color we have inside the bowl. And here I used only half teaspoon of the all clear tube. You don't want to use too much, just need to use half. What you do is to stir it, mix it properly, and store back into this container. Okay, so what you do at night, use this mixture only at night. After washing your face with soap and water, then use this to cleanse your face. Use a cotton wool, cotton wool to clean your face. After cleaning your face, give it about a minute for it to dry properly. Once it has done that, then you now apply this cream all over your face and concentrate on the parts where you have the sunburn, which is by the side of your face, either which side where it is. Apply it very well and then come back and thank me later. You can also use this pigment dew as your knuckle cleanser. It's very good. For those who have dark hands, this is a very good remedy for dark hands. It's very good. Sorry I can't disclose what it is, Those who have trained with me, you're going to know what it is. Just ask me and I will let you know. And please guys, don't forget, whenever you're stepping out, you have to always use your sunscreen. It doesn't matter if you use your face cream only at night. Sunscreen should be a woman's best friend, especially for those of us living in Nigeria. We need sunscreen. The weather is too harsh, very, 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 very harsh. You always need to have a sunscreen, okay? Or you wear protective shades, sunglasses. Some people don't like sunglasses. Like me, I don't like it. I feel weird whenever I wear it. So the best bet for me is my sunscreen. This has lasted for me like for so long. I just use little, apply it on your face, and then you're good to go. So my darlings, that's it. Simple and effective way to make your sunburn remover. Thank you for watching. Next week I'll be making a tutorial on how to make your hand sanitizer, the industrial type and then the homemade type, the DIY type. So stay clean, stay safe, take care of yourself. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Those of you that would love to buy my ebook or train with me, hit me up on WhatsApp. Ciao.